Hey guys, how you all doing? Welcome to the video tutorials of codandtest.com. In this video we'll learn about font, CSS font. Okay, CSS font. And in font properties we have font family, font size, font weight, font style and font variant. Okay, font family, font size, font weight, font style, font variant. We'll see this one by one. First, font family. We can set the font to be serif or cursive or italic, okay, or impact. Okay, so paragraph. So first is font family. Font family, what should we give here? Let's say impact. I'll save this, and in example.html I have a paragraph. Hi there, visit codandtest.com. okay, this is the sentence in a paragraph. I'll save that. I'll refresh it here. See here, hi there, visit www.codandtest.com. okay, this is impact. Okay, this looks bold, isn't it? Let's just change impact to what? Serif. Okay, let me save that and refresh it here. So font changes. Okay, so that's font family property, and the next is font size. Okay, in font size we can give a number. Okay, we can give a number, percentage, or we can just write a word called large or small. Okay, font size. Font size, let's say percentage 150%. okay, I'll save that. This is normal. See here, I can give percentage, I can give words like larger or large, medium, small. Okay, or I can give a number. Okay, let's say 50 px. Px is pixels. Okay, 50 pixels. I'll save that and I'll refresh it here. See there, so that's font size, that's font size property. Okay, and the next one is font weight. All right, font weight, we can make font thick or bold using this font weight property. Okay, font weight property, and the value we can give for font weight is normal or bold, bolder, lighter, or we could give any number. Okay, like let's say we'll give normal. Okay, normal first, and let me refresh this. Now this is normal. Okay, the font weight is normal. Let's say bold, and I'll refresh this. It's bold now. Okay, or I can give a number. Okay, like 300. Usually this number is a multiple of 100. Okay, see here, so it changes. Let me give 900, just say save. See there, so that's font weight property for you guys. Okay, so the value could be normal, bold, bolder, lighter, or a number. Okay, usually a multiple of 100. Okay, and the next is font style. Okay, style, font style property, and we can set font style using font style property. Okay, and the font style could be, and the value for font style could be normal, italic, or oblique. Okay, this is normal now. Okay, now see here, hi there, visit www.codentest.com is normal in style. Okay, or we could give italic here. Okay, I'll save this and refresh here. It's italic now. Okay, so that's font style property for you guys. And what was the next thing? Font variant. Okay, variant, font variant. We can set font variant using font variant property. Okay, and the value could be normal. Okay, normal, or it could be small caps, SMALL, small caps. Alright, I'll save this and I'll refresh it. See here, hi there, visit www.codentest.com is in small cap letters. Okay, so that's font variant. I hope that's clear. In this video we learned about CSS font properties, and in font properties we learned font family, font size, font weight, font style, and font variant. Okay, so that's all in this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching the video. See you in the next video.